Hello students, welcome to my Easy Maths YouTube channel. Today this video is related to grade 10 and 11 students. The lesson is fractions. Okay children, now I think you all know the structure of the O-level paper. For mathematics, you have to face two papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2. You all know paper 1 is a structured paper consists of two parts, part A and part B. In part A, there are 25 small questions and in part B, there are 5 essay type questions. Children, among those 5 questions, first one is related to fractions. I think you all know it. Right. Then the question carries 10 marks. So children, we'll discuss how to get those 10 marks easily for this question. So, before starting the lesson, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel also. Right. Now let's move to the question. This is the question. A father reserved 1/5 of land for himself and divided the remaining portion among his children. How? Such that his son received half of this portion and the rest was divided equally among the 3 daughters. Right. This is the question. This is the question and there are 5 parts for this question. Okay. This is the first hint. Before reading the parts, first you have to get the idea of this sentence. Okay. Let's solve this one. This is the given sentence. A father reserved 1/5 of a land for himself. Then he has reserved 1/5. That means what is the total amount? Total amount of land is 5/5 or else 1. That is the total land. From that total land, father reserved 1/5. That means the land reserved by father is 1/5. So, before move to the next part, you have to take the remaining portion. What is the remaining portion? The total land 5/5. Or from that you have to subtract 1/5. That means 1/5. The denominators are same. So you can subtract directly. Denominator is 5 and what is the numerator? 5. You have to subtract 1 from 5. Then the answer is 4. That means 4/5. That is the remaining portion. So read the question, sentence again. And divided the remaining portion among his children. How? Such that his son received half. Then out of the remaining portion, son has received half. Then of. Of means what is the mathematical operation? Multiplication. Yes. Of means multiplication. Then you have to find the portion that is received by son. How? 4/5 you have to multiply by half, 1/2. Then for 2, 1, we can cancel the numerators and denominators. For 2, 1 and for 4 there are 2 2's, right? Then directly multiply the numerators and denominators. 5 times 1, 5. That is the denominator. Then what is the numerator? 2 times 1. Then the fraction of land received by son. That is the answer. How much? 2 upon 5. Okay, children, did you get the idea? Out of the remaining portion, you have to take half. That means multiplication. 4 upon 5, you have to multiply by 1 upon 2. The answer is 2 upon 5. Next one. Fractions of the total land left to be divided among 3 daughters. Then again you have to find the total. Now the land is reserved by father and you have to take the amount reserved by son. You have to take the total. What is that one? 5 upon 1 plus 5 upon 2. Yes? That is 5 upon 3. Or else you can find out of the remaining portion, you have to subtract the portion received by son. That is 5 upon 2. Then 5 upon 4, subtract 5 upon 2. The answer is 5 upon 2. This is the amount reserved by the 3 daughters. Okay, right. Now you all have an idea related to the question. Now let's move to the parts. Right. Question number 1. What fraction of the total land is the extent of land divided among the children? Portion of land divided among children means what? The remaining portion. In other words, portion of land divided among the children means remaining portion. The total land is 5 upon 5. From that, you have to subtract the amount reserved by the father. That is 1 upon 5. So, you have to get the subtraction. What is the answer? 4 upon 5. That is the remaining portion. Okay. Now, let's move to the question number 2. Part 2. What fraction of land was received by son? Which portion? Son received half of the remaining portion. So, we'll discuss previously. 4 upon 5, you have to multiply that one by half. That means 1 upon 2. For 2 to 2, 4 and 2 cancelling. Then we can get the answer directly. That is 5 upon 2. Right. Now children, let's move to the third part. What fraction of the land is left to be divided among the 3 daughters? Okay, we got the idea first. That means from the remaining portion. There are 2 methods. From the remaining portion, we can subtract the portion received by son, or else from the total land, we can subtract the amount received by both father and the son. Then from that we can get the remaining amount. That is to be divided among 3 daughters. By using those 2 methods, you can find the answer. In here, I have done the first method. That means from the remaining portion, that means the portion to be divided among children. From that, I have subtract the portion received by son. So, the remaining part was divided among the 3 daughters. That means, what is the answer? 2 upon 5. Right. Next one, question number 4. If one daughter received 30 hectares, find the area of the total land. If one daughter received 30 hectares, find the area of the total land. So, you have to find the amount received by one daughter. That means you have to find the fraction, you have to find the portion received by one daughter as a fraction. In the previous part, we will find the amount obtained by the 3 daughters. That is 2 upon 5. You have to divide this by 3. 2 upon 5. For division, you know, division becomes multiplication. And at the same time, you have to get the what? Reciprocal of the dividend, second number. That means the number there after the division mark. Right? You have to get the reciprocal of that one. 2 upon 5. For that, multiplication 1 upon 3. Then, can we simplify this further? No, we can't. So, we can get the answer directly by multiplying numerators and denominators. Multiply the denominators. 5 times 3, 15. And when multiplying numerators, 2 times 1. That is 2. Okay. That means this fraction is 30 hectares. 15 upon 2 is the 30 hectares. So, what is the total land? We have to find the area of the total land. What is that one? 15 upon 15 or else 1. So, how can we find? Yes, 2 parts means 30. Then what is 1 part? That is 15. And again you have to multiply that 15 by 15. 15 times 15. The answer is 225 hectares. Right? Did you got the idea? 2 upon 15 is 30. Then you have to find how much portion of land is there for 15 upon 15. Right. That is 225 hectares. Okay. Then children will move to the last question. Last part of this question. Right. If the value of the part kept by the father was how much? 4.5 million rupees. What is the value of the part received by a daughter? Now, the part kept by the father, amount of that one is given. How much? 4.5 million rupees. So, what is the fraction of the father, of the land received by father? That is 1/5. That means 1 upon 5. That is given 4.5 million rupees. Then, we have to find the amount of 2 upon 15 parts. That is the amount received by a daughter. How much? Directly we can find that one, or else we can find how much is the amount for 1 upon 15. That is 4.5 million rupees. You have to divide by 3. The answer is 1.5 million rupees. That is for 1 upon 15. So, you have to take again 2 parts. You have to multiply this one by 2. 1.5 million rupees times 2 means again how much? 3 million. This is the amount of the land received by a daughter. This is the value. Right? Okay. Now children, I think you all got an idea related to how we get 10 marks for this question. How to solve step by step. Don't get the idea, don't just solve the questions directly. First get the idea of the sentence and you can find answers step by step. That is very easy. Right. Okay children. Now I think you all get an idea of how to get 10 marks easily for this question. Right. So, if you have any doubt, you can comment or you can ask from me. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel also. So children, let's meet from another video in another day. So, goodbye.